Rizka Muslimah.
Thank you, Andi Zahra Rizky. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Siapa ini?
Waalaikumsalam
Pinjam dulu.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to say thank you for for giving me opportunity to stand here today, and all my friends who giving me attention. Today, our presentation about general ledger. What is a general ledger? The general ledger is an accounting record used to classify and summarize financial transactions according to account type, such as cash, receivable, payable, equity, and revenue. Each account has its own separate general ledger to record all debit and credit activity during an accounting period. What are the forms of ledgers? 1. T-share. The T-share ledger is the simple and most commonly used ledger format in basic accounting. It resembles a capital T and consists of three main parts: the account name and account code at the top, and a debit side on the left, and a credit side on the right. The second ledger forms control. This control of the ledger, or often also called the two-column ledger, is a ledger format that has more complete detail than the T form. This is form separate transaction recording into two sides, namely the debit side and the credit side, which are placed side by side. Type ledger form stable. The stable ledger is the most detailed ledger format and is often used by companies recording detailed transaction information. Its main feature is the balance column, which is continuously updated after each transaction is recorded, making it easy to track account balance in real time. What is the function of a ledger? 1. Summarizing and grouping transaction. The general ledger serves as a summary of all financial transactions that have been recorded in the general journal and group them into appropriate accounts such as cash, receivable, or payable. Second, grouping data. Grouping transactions into separate accounts such as cash account, revenue accounts, expense account, etc. Thus, providing a clear picture of each account. Third, facilitate the preparation of financial report. With data organized in the general ledger, companies can prepare accurate and reliable financial reports, such as balance sheet, profit and loss statement, and cash flow statement. Why is a ledger important? The ledger is important because without it, financial statement cannot be prepared. 1. Provides an accurate balance of accounts. Second, serves as the basis for preparing the trial balance and later the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Third, help internal control. Companies can detect error more easily. Without the ledger, transactions will be scattered and management decisions could go wrong. When is it used? The ledger is used every time a transaction occurs after it has been recorded in the journal. Routine, record daily so that the data stays up to date. Periodical, at the end of the month, quarter, or year, when financial statements are prepared. Special case, when the company is audited or during financial inspection. Example of a general ledger. 1. T-shirt. This is the simple form of general ledger, like the letter T. On the left side, we record debit, and the right side we record credit. For example, asset account in debit, asset account increase in debit and decrease in credit, while liability accounts are the opposite. This is form is usually used for basic learning or for small company. Next, control. The control ledger, which provide more detail than the T-shirt. It has two sides: debit entry on the left side and a credit entry on the right side. With column for debt, description, ref, and amount. This is format making it easy to track a transaction information for more clearly. Third, stable. The stable ledger is the most detailed type. It has additional balance column that are automatically updated after each transaction is posted. This helps the company monitor account balance in real time, making it very useful for internal control and financial report. So, the difference between the three formats lies in the life of detail. The more detailed the ledger, the easier it becomes to track account balance accurately. So, guys, this is my presentation. Any question, guys? Yes, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So my name is Teddy Said, and my question is what is the difference T-shirt versus control ledger?
Different from T-shirt and control. We can see T-shirt is a simple form. We can see debit on the left side and credit on the right side. And T-shirt this used in for a small company. And control ledger. And this control ledger it's more detailed than from T-shirt because control ledger have column date, description, ref, and amount. And on the top we have net account and hot account. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you for the answer. Even with fewer details, the T-shirt ledger already fulfills the core purpose of recording debits and credits. Small companies may not need the additional structure.
Yeah, that's true. But control answer transaction are easy to trace and review, especially during audit or when the number of transactions increase and require more control.
Satu kali lagi, satu level lagi. Dan jawabannya. it is interesting. Teddy is asked for a second time, questions for a second time, that means the answer. Vida, this kind of vida. Teddy understand this answer. It is impossible. Teddy asks questions. If Teddy will understand, on the other hand, it is impossible. Rizka answer questions. Yes. Teddy's questions. If Rizka didn't understand. Yes. So it's a balance, it's understanding, it's a transaction, it's a called transaction. And that means Rizka and Teddy English must be good. But that's the first level. Itu baru level pertama. Kita menghindari kebetulan. Dan kita level kedua, ketiga, itu 2 or 3 times answering and asking and answering questions must be good. Tidak mungkin kebetulan ini ya. Pasti kedua orang ini 3-4 kali level pasti bagus bahasa Inggrisnya, bagus aplikasinya. Nah, so if the other people cannot starting questions like Teddy's question, you can make questions, yes, from the answer of Rizka. Answers to Teddy, you ask, for example, why do you answer like that? Kenapa pertanyaan, kenapa jawabanmu seperti itu? Lihat pernah ada alternatif, kan? Sekarang kamu tanya. Sekarang Anda mengulang ungkapan-ungkapan itu, saya sudah kirim di grup kan? Itu dimanfaatkan itu untuk masuk. Ketika itu Anda lakukan, berarti you made another transaction. Yes, from the first transactions between Teddy and Rizka. If you can do that, your English must be good. Itu poinnya. Di situ dasar untuk menjustifikasi. Ya, bahasa Inggris mahasiswa ini pasti manusia. Bahasa Inggris mahasiswa ini pasti bukan abal-abal. Bagaimana dengan pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang saya tulis, Pak? Setiap kali pertemuan itu AI, ya kan?
Iya.
Kita mau lihat prakteknya ini. Apakah ini mahasiswa benar bagus bahasa Inggris? Apakah ini mahasiswa terbukti berkomunikasi dalam bahasa Inggris? Kalau sekedar pertanyaan, jumlah pertanyaan, di rumah juga Anda nggak bisa lakukan itu. Betul apa betul?
Betul.
Let me see. If I put in there, kalau para mega ini saya simpan di debit, aku aset yang saya simpan di debit. Apakah itu benar? Oh yes, that's right, that's correct. Why? Kalau sudah begitu, why? Ya kan? Yes, why? Why? It's correct. According to you, yes, because that's asset. Why it is asset? Sementara itu terjadi 2-3 kali percakapan. Transaction itu diandai-andai. Maksudnya ini dalam bahasa Indonesia Anda bertanya seperti itu wajar, sudah semester berapa, ini semester 3 kan? diandai-andaikan itu. Jadi kalau Anda harusnya pintar-pintar saja berandai-andai. Atau do you agree? I put if blah blah blah. What happened if? What happened if I put in credit? Kan berandai-andai. Boleh saja kan? Mungkin pertanyaannya, apa begitu? Harusnya debit. Ya toh, palsu persen. Berandai-andai. Kita ingin memancing seberapa dalam, seberapa bagus bahasa Inggrisnya orang ini. Satu, seberapa bagus akuntansinya, tapi kita tidak menilai itu akuntansimu. Ya kan? Karena kita tidak belajar akuntansi, tapi kita menggunakan akuntansi, ya, accounting sector itu sebagai titian untuk bercacis dalam bahasa Inggris. Maksud sini, tidak bisa kita bercacis dalam bahasa Inggris, kita menggunakan contoh-contoh energi, kimia, elektro, macet kan? Macet. So, ya saya mau katakan Anda gunakan kesempatan ini berandai-andai.
Before I ask you my question, can you show me a slide about form of ledger? Yes, this point three. Point three. Can you explain it simple ledger from Apple? Why is
Sorry, can you repeat?
Can you explain in simple what is ledger from Apple?
Example from picture from stable.
No, definition is even simple.
The stable ledger is the most detailed ledger format and is often used by company recording detailed transaction information. Its main feature is the balance column, which is continuously updated after each transaction is recorded, making it easy to track account balance in real time.
Can you give me example the format?
Okay.
Format example.
So, this is example format from stable. You can see stable have column date, item details, post ref, debit and credit, and have balance. When balance making it easy company to record our transaction. Jadi, making it easy to record our transaction, especially for big company.
So what is the difference compared to the other types?
Sudah
Eh,
sekali, bagus toh. Saya masuk sedikit komik. Bagus itu. Terjadi transaksi berlebar-lebar. Ya kan? Pasti Anda bisa bahasa Inggris ini.
Stable and other. Stable it's more complete, like I said before. Stable have a balance column. So when transaction update in the end quarter, year, or month, stable can be easy to record a transaction. So can visit a company. It's more detailed.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Abang Namri. So, any question, guys? Yes.
Okay, thank you. So my question is, why stable ledger is more detailed?
Why stable ledger is more detailed? Stable ledger? The stable ledger provide the most complete information because include balance column. Then after each transaction, this gives instant visibility of current account position without needing separating regulation.
Okay, so but updating balance after every entry requires more effort and can be delay the recording process.
Um, the extra effort is justified because the risk of incorrect balance is minimized and managers can make a reliable decision using up-to-date figures.
Okay, but even so, modern accounting software already provides a real-time balance automatically, so making the table format less relevant manually.
Yes, correctly. But this Apple concept remains fundamental and is actually what a modern system replicate. The structure still play a key role in ensuring transparency and accuracy. Okay, thank you, Dwi Putri. Um,
Can you give example? Ya kan? What is the item detail? Cost rate, debit, credit, balance. What do you think if I change the position credit here, become here and debit is here? Why? Do you agree? No. Why?
so guys, let's do it again. Any question?
My name is Jasnyati. My question is, what are contribution of general ledger to financial statements?
The general ledger summarizes all transactions between account balance. These balance are essential for preparing the trail balance with that directly support the income statement, balance sheet, and other reports.
But if a posting error occurs in the journal, the ledger and financial statements will still be wrong. So it does not guarantee accuracy.
Yes, mistake can happen, but the ledger helps identify unmatched total or unsold balance, making error detection easier than checking scattered journal entry.
Even with a ledger, some mistakes might still go unnoticed until late.
So yeah, that's why the ledger is combined with internal control and audit. It provides the structure that enable future checking and validation.
Thank you, Rizka.
Okay, thank you, Jasmine. Joshua, any question, guys? Yeah, please.
What ledger is critical?
Critical.
When ledger is updated critical?
Periodic update is done at the end month, quarter, or year when a company prepare financial report and make adjusting entry. It summarizes what happened in the period.
Believe updates are delayed until the period ends. Manager might work with outdated figures and make poor operation decisions.
That's why daily or routine recording is still needed. Periodic update to reflect routine updates. They complement them.
Still, some businesses rely only on periodic data because they lack manpower.
Rely only on periodic update can be a risk. Even a simple daily summarize can prevent major decision making errors later. Thank you, Rizka. Thank you, Nurul Aziza. So that's all. So, yes.
Okay, can you open the first PowerPoint? This is a very easy question. When somebody say general lecture, what is your opinion? What is in your mind? Or I can see the questions. What is general
What is
lecture?
general chat? In my mind, general ledger, it is a journal to record our transaction in companies.
Can you read example?
Example, sir? So, this is example general ledger from t-shirt. We can see sample state and liability, debit on the left side and credit on the right side.
Can you give a specific example like the amount of fund in debit, the amount of money credit? Can you fill in the debit? Can you fill in? Can you write? Yeah. Much money fund in debit. Can you give example?
Okay, example,
Can you write? Can you write? You write.
right?
Yes. Put there. For example, 1,000 or 500 debit and credit.
Safel pakai safel yang safel bentuk safelnya.
Oke, modal dia. Apakah pertanyaan kebenar? Saya minta jumlah contoh
Rizky
500 misalnya di debit, 500.000 di kredit, misalnya kan? Coba di sini. Saya masuk
siap
beberapa kali kan saya tanya.
Rizka
Entah, baru dia tanya.
depreciation building
Mengerti maksudnya? Coba. Anda kan dia tidak mengerti,
sembarang 10 juta
dia tidak akan berusaha menulis. Toh, di situ terjadi transaksi. Coba kalau dia tidak paham, dia tidak akan mengerti, dia akan menuliskan di situ.
Check.
Oke, saya masuk lagi.
Yes.
Why do you put in debit?
Because
is asset.
Guys, a building is asset.
Oke. Saya mau bermanipulasi ya, berspekulasi.
Yes.
Do you agree if I put in credit? Do you agree? Yes atau no? Do you agree if I put the money 10 million in credit? Saya.
I'm disagree, sir.
Pertanyaanku, setuju atau tidak setuju?
Disagree, sir.
Do you agree?
Disagree.
You agree?
Disagree, sir.
No. No, no.
Kapan? No. Ya kan? Itu yang saya tunggu. Coba dianalisis ini kan. 1, 2, 3 kali saya bertanya. Berarti dia tidak paham. Betul apa betul? Tapi akhirnya dia paham. Jadi, sini poinnya Anda. Andaikan seterusnya dia tidak paham, apa yang muncul di pikiranmu? Apa yang muncul di kepalamu? Oh, bahasa Inggrisnya Rizka seperti itu. Betul atau betul? Masa bisa seperti itu? Ya kan? Untungnya, fortunately, dia jawab. Itu normal, Anda. Normal itu lama-lama kan. Normal. Bahasa Inggris ini kan bahasa apa tuh kan?
No, sir.
Bukan. Wajar kan? Wajar. Paham punya sampai di sini.
Yes, sir.
Jadi poin adalah tunjukkan seberapa bisa bahasa Inggris, bukan seberapa benar salah atau malah diam. Karena beda orang, beda kapasitas, beda kemampuan. Poinnya adalah in the end you can communicate in English, and that's better because you speak in accounting talking. That's the point. That's why we call this English. Jangan ada lewati atau malah tamat. Coba presentasi dalam topik-topik akuntansi sebagai sarjana akuntansi. Oh bisa Pak, bisa diskusi. Oh bisa. Kalau saya ingat presentasi di semester 3. Lihat tak? Kalau ini bisa, harusnya nanti ke depan bisa. Betul apa betul? Itulah tagihannya. Maka oke, Nanda, close. Rizka. Good. Well done.
Conclusion: the ledger is the heart of accounting. It serves as the foundation for financial report by collecting, considering, and summarizing all transactions into account balance through the LinoWeb+1H approach. We can better understand its definition, purpose, user, timing, location, and process, making it clear why the ledger is indispensable in every accounting system. So, guys, thank you for your question. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.